Hello, shorties, ladies. This is a shares channel. We're going on a hike.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Princess Ashe. Wait, where's Princess Ashe?
I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Princess Ashe. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by and clicking on this video to watch. And today I'm hiking and we're already in the process, so join us, come with us, have fun on this amazing adventure. See you guys at the top. Bye.
Praise the Lord. Stuffs.
He's crazy. He's not a pastor. He's the worst person ever.
That bike guy.
That bike and that girl.
This is slow. It didn't fall from my pocket. I didn't know.
This is amazing. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it looks scary anyways. Oh, let's see how we do it. Okay, at this point, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscription bar below.
Don't look back.
The PA Squad so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so far. Can you see behind me, guys? I can't look back, but I just have to keep going. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is me. That's where I came from. Oh God. I'm on top of the world.
You only have one life to live. If you're lucky, then you might.
Go, just imagine.
This is amazing.
Imagine my name breathing boldly like.
King honest. Know how to do it. Go, go, go. I need to get this.
Got plenty of scars, but nothing to lose. Tonight, I'm on top of the world, in front of the crowd. Smoking in the air, look at me now. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. I'm on top of the world, in front of the crowd.
One house, one house.
Coco, say hi. Hello.
You got me so confused. You got me in the mood. You got a boy feeling good. Transform like cousin. You never get touched fuck from a man. See me and you up. Somebody now knows. So you are giving up.
Afrobank music.
It's AJ and the Biz.
Hello, everybody.
They are.
Hey, girl. Why are you doing us this? Come back.
Concentration. Names of food. Rice.
See Nike is there now.
Hey, levels.
Give it to them. Go shade their daddy. Oh my gosh. Going back down. Okay, I don't think I can record as much. I gotta stop for a while. I feel like now we said if you don't know, I better just go back home.
You have one life to live. If you're lucky, then you might get two. I was down, so down, took the hit. Was a miracle that got me through. I've seen the world, paid my dues. Got plenty of scars, but nothing to lose. Tonight, I'm on top of the world, in front of the crowd. Smoking in the air, look at me now.
Hello guys, thank you for staying with me and watching my video to the end. I think I'll end it here, but if you were privileged enough, or if you were, hi, this is Coco guys. I met her and funny enough, she's from my state and
I'm from
she's an accountant, I guess, like me. So I'm really glad I met her and stuff like that. Hopefully the friendship will continue from here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share with your friends, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next hiking experience. Bye guys.
I'm on top of the world.